Buddha Air has been providing safe and secure air transportation services in Nepal for almost 18 years, expanding its fleet with the financial help of the International Finance Corporation, a member of the World Bank Group. Buddha Air operates scheduled and chartered flights with its globally proven fleet of 8 pressurized turboprop aircraft, 2 18-seater Breechcraft 1900D, 3 47-seater ATR 42-320 and 3 72-seater ATR 72-500. With more than 50 flights a day, Nepal's leading airline, Buddha Air, currently flies to 10 paved airports domestically. The airline also offers daily mountain flights, offering close-up views of Mount Everest and the Himalayas. Buddha Air currently holds a 60% share of the domestic market. Its aircraft are maintained to the highest level of international and local safety standards. Buddha Air believes that meeting the needs of passenger safety, security and service are of paramount importance. Buddha Air is a first priority airline in Nepal for the general public, but also for diplomats and VIPs. Key features in maintaining Buddha Air's safety standards and policies include a performance-based appraisal system and competency checks of all technical staff and implementation of safety management systems. Continuation, refresher training and quality audits, surveillance inspections are conducted regularly.
Climb, after climb, then it comes cruise, then descending.
For the first time in Nepalese aviation history, Buddha Air has its own institutionalized base and line maintenance. The airline now regularly maintains its fleet in its own world-class closed-door maintenance hangar. Built at a cost of about $2.5 million, the hangar covers an area of approximately 37,000 square feet. Maintenance of the Buddha Air fleet is carried out following NCAR 145, ensuring compliance with all international standards and regulatory requirements. Procedures follow human factor principles and human performance limitations. Base maintenance follows a year-round aircraft hangar visit plan. The work package is prepared by the Technical Support Division and Supply Divisions, who draw up manpower plans and ensure availability of all required spares, tools and equipment. The hangar and the offices are equipped with centralised fire detection, alarm systems and firefighting equipment. Premises are equipped with centralised fire detection and alarm systems with abundant availability of firefighting equipment. The fire extinguishing equipment consists of various types of extinguishers placed at clearly identified locations identified with placarding. Automatic water supply for similarly placed and identified fire hydrants, fire hose reels is from an underground tank with a capacity of 30,000 litres. Firefighting equipment is inspected every month for servicing. A fire drill exercise is conducted every 6 months as part of the hangar emergency plan, with the participation of firefighting services Tribhuvan International Airport. Required training in fire safety has been provided to all concerned. All shops and store areas are access controlled, environmentally protected and monitored by CCTV. All Buddha Air personnel are aware of the airline's quality and safety policies. Endorsed by an accountable manager, there is no space for compromise in the standards of aircraft maintenance. As part of pre-flight transit inspection, each aircraft is checked before every takeoff for serviceability of its operational and safety emergency equipment. Buddha Air has recently extended its aviation workshop with staff and facilities under NCAR 145 approved maintenance organisation capabilities, allowing for the repair and maintenance of composite material and de-icing boots. The Compliance Monitoring Department was established in 2014 with 17 internal auditors who trained on an aviation internal auditor course conducted by IATA. The department is responsible for conducting audits following an annual audit plan. The department is also responsible for the feedback system for quality and safety. Buddha Air's Operation Engineering Division recently commissioned ATR-approved flight operation software. The software makes a fast, consistent and accurate calculation of performance data used in daily aircraft operations. Using performance data allows an aircraft to operate consistently within the certified flight envelope and in compliance with operational regulations. Buddha Air's Corporate Safety Department is responsible for implementation of the safety management system throughout the airline. A non-punitive reporting system is used in the identification of safety hazards and managing any associated risks. Such a system enhances flight safety and helps prevent accidents. For greater enhancement of air safety, Buddha Air has voluntarily implemented a flight data monitoring program. The program continuously monitors and analyses aircraft flight data and system performance, operational safety, crew performance, ATC system operations and airport operational issues. The airline has a contract with Casopi Sagem France for its ATR fleet flight data analysis at an annual cost of $40,000. Buddha Air has a flight data monitoring team comprised of a dedicated group of operation and aircraft engineers who, with instructor pilots, ensure the objectives of flight data monitoring are met. They take necessary corrective action in the form of crew briefings, changes in standard operating procedures, aircraft maintenance, liaison with airport authorities, and identifying training needs. Buddha Air regularly delivers a series of in-depth training courses for both technical, operational, and non-technical staff. The courses cover initial, refresher, continuation, regulatory, and company divisional procedures. As a result, the staff of Buddha Air are qualified, skilled, experienced and competent. Human factor and fuel tank safety training is mandated for all technical staff, particularly maintenance personnel, and is held regularly every 2 years. Pilots are trained on cockpit resource management. ATR and Beechcraft pilots are sent on regular training courses on approved flight simulators. Buddha Air has a yearly contract with the IATA Training Centre, who provide training courses to employees. The Continuing Airworthiness Department is responsible for ensuring all maintenance requirements for aircraft, propellers and components are met, ensuring each aircraft and its components are airworthy. The department is also responsible for implementing airworthiness directives, conditions and limitations of its air operator certificates and other national, international operational requirements. The technical department is responsible for maintenance tasks on an aircraft, following the manufacturer's technical standards and the company's procedures. Responsibility for the Quality Assurance Department at Buddha Air falls directly under the Managing Director. He ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, company procedures and standards in the Technical Department and the Continuing Airworthiness Department. Aircraft type training for all certifying and support staff is carried out by approved training organisations. Continuation training in all areas of operation are conducted for certifying and support staff every 24 months. Issuance and renewal of company authorisation of an individual for certification of aircraft component maintenance is carried out through the competence assessment process as per company procedure. Buddha Air's ground handling operation follows approved procedures in passenger check-in, baggage handling, cargo and ramp safety in order to ensure the security and safety of the aircraft and Buddha Air's customers. In order to enhance flight safety, Buddha Air has invested significantly in acquiring technologies, facilities and in the training of its employees. In line with the commitment from the Accountable Manager for Safety and Quality, all Buddha Air personnel recognise their responsibilities in complying with procedures, quality standards, safety standards and regulations. Safety is a core value. Respect for that value has helped the company earn the trust of millions who have flown with Buddha Air. For almost 18 years, Buddha Air has grown as an airline, gaining passengers' trust. Buddha Air is the first choice, safest airline in Nepal.